Setting up your Google TV Streamer 4K for the first time might seem a bit overwhelming, especially if you're not sure which cables go where or what steps come next after plugging it in. With multiple ports, remote pairing, Wi Fi setup, and account sign in, it can feel like there are a lot of things happening at once. But once you understand the flow, the entire process is actually very straightforward and only takes a few minutes from start to finish. This device is designed to turn any TV into a smart entertainment hub, giving you access to apps, streaming services, and personalized recommendations. Getting everything connected properly from the beginning ensures a smooth experience without any setup issues later on. All you need to do is follow a few simple steps in order, and your Google TV Streamer 4K will be ready to use. Try these. Step 1. Plug the Google TV Streamer 4K into your TV's HDMI port. Step 2. Connect the power cable to the device and plug it into a power outlet. Step 3. Turn on your TV and switch to the correct HDMI input source. Step 4. Pair the remote by following the on-screen instructions. Step 5. Connect to your Wi-Fi network and sign in with your Google account. Step 6. Complete the setup prompts and start exploring apps and content.